meteorologist Hannah Ronner with Viper 13 real-time radar.
Welcome back to News 13 at noon. We're going to begin with our downtown look over the boardwalk in Myrtle Beach. A couple people walking around out there, more people actually on the beach than the boardwalk. Nonetheless, lots of sunshine and a cloudless sky out there. Still a little bit of a breeze. You can see those flags really moving out there, but it's still a little bit on the cooler side. Widespread, we're only in the mid 50s for right now, but of course some of us are going to make it into the 60s for today. But in comparison to the last 24 hours ago, we're actually quite noticeably warmer, about 5 to 10 degrees warmer out there. Definitely a nice change out there, but we can definitely feel those warmer weathers. Viper 13 real-time radar is clear. It's looking great out there. Invisible satellite imagery is the same thing. Clear skies, plenty of sunshine. It's going to be a nice day today. Looking into the future here, we're going to have a nice wind shift occur this evening. Southerly flow is going to help to keep us warm. We'll continue to warm over the next 3 days or so. It's going to feel really nice out there. For Thursday, no clouds pass through. Clear Wednesday night into Thursday afternoon. Similar conditions for Friday. There's not much to talk about until we get to the later part of the weekend. Zoom out, we're going to see it coming. It's going to be another cold front. By Saturday morning, it's still not quite in our viewing area, but it's going to extend all the way to the coast Saturday night, and then the rain is going to follow. So unfortunately, that's going to occur during the big game this weekend. But nonetheless, it seems to be it's going to be an afternoon. So, of course, if you do have a tailgate or party planned, make sure to watch the forecast, especially if it's going to be an outdoor event. But lots of sunshine for the first half into your weekend, continual warming until that point. Once we transition from Saturday into Sunday, it's going to be cooler and also, of course, a little bit more wet out there. Highs for today, Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach are going to stay in the upper 50s, but elsewhere you're either at 60, 61, or 62 degrees. Your lows for tonight, Myrtle Beach will be the warmest at 40, upper 30s for the rest of the Grand Strand, mid 30s for your PD and border belt cities. And looking into your marine forecast, winds are very light out of the west at 5 to 10. Waves are very small. Usually they're 2 to 3 feet, but they're only 1 to 2 feet for today. Your next tide will be a high tide at 2:02 p.m. and sunrise for tomorrow is at 7:05 a.m. UV index is a 5, so make sure you got some sunscreen out there if you're especially walking out along the beaches. But looking at that 7-day, continuing to warm until we get to Saturday. At the beaches, we'll be in the upper 60s. Temperatures take a pretty big hit as that cold front passes through, looking about 10 to 12 degrees colder for Sunday. And of course, that afternoon rain is going to not last forever, of course, but we can't rule out the possibility of it lasting into the evening time. Your Valentine's Day is going to be very chilly. Temperatures of a high temperature only in the lower 50s, but by Tuesday, more